I recently completed a suspension, wheel, and tire upgrade on my 2017 Toyota 4Runner SR5 Premium. Now that that work's complete, I thought it was time to bring it down to the dealership to do a side-by-side comparison with a stock 4Runner to show you the difference. We'll start off on my 4Runner here on the left-hand side. It's got a set of Bilstein 5100 shocks. The front suspension is raised up one clip, giving the vehicle just under an inch of lift. The rear suspension is sitting at the stock height. And I did that to level out the vehicle. You'll notice looking at a stock 4Runner that it's got a significant rake on it. The rear end of the vehicle sticks up a little bit higher than the front. And with this additional inch of lift up front, you'll see that mine sits pretty level. I've also got a set of FN FX Pro wheels in black with the stainless steel TRD center cap. And then a set of Goodyear Wrangler Ultra Train AT tires. They are in a 265/70 R17. It's the same size that you get stock on the 4Runner, but you'll see that these have a much more aggressive tread pattern and sidewall. The FN FX Pro wheels also give a little bit of an offset, and so you'll see that the wheels and tires sit a little bit more flush with the wheel well. Those are going to be a little bit inset on the stock 4Runner. Now jumping over to these 2020 4Runners. Again, you'll see they've got the stock SR5 wheels and stock tire package, which is much less aggressive. You'll see that with that, the wheels and tires are a little bit inset when compared with mine. Now, since these are 2020s, the only real difference that you'll see on the exterior is that it's got that little chrome strip on the upper portion of the grille. Crouching down, you can see that my front end does sit up a little bit higher than the stock 4Runner. And then again, those wheels and tires are a bit more offset. Interestingly, the tires also look a little bit wider. And I think that's just because of the aggressive tread and sidewall. Now we'll come over here and we'll get a side profile of the 2020 4Runner, where that rake is fairly pronounced. Again, you can see that the front end of the vehicle sits quite a bit lower than the rear. More quick side profile of my 4Runner. I mean, the 4Runner definitely looks good in stock form, but I like the more aggressive look that you get with these slight changes. So there you go, that's a look at my 4Runner sitting next to a stock 4Runner. Love to get your feedback in the comments below. For more videos of the 5th generation 4Runner, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.